So today I'm an alloy wheel repair specialist. These guys are basically on the Dammam Highway in Riyadh. And well, it's like the name, they specialize in repairing wheels and also in the personalization of wheels. So I've been invited for a factory tour and I'm looking forward to it. I want to see how the processes are like and let's see. All right, so I'm at the diagnostics and structural repair area. This is the first process that the wheel goes through. As you can see, they're removing the tire, and behind me they're doing the balancing. A very complicated machine that does all this fancy statistical stuff, which I can't be bothered with, but seems like a very complex procedure that these guys seem to have made very simple. You know, so anyway, I'm gonna get out of these guys' way and let them do their thing. So I'm now in the next process, which is basically the sanding and reprofiling. It looks busy as hell. There's a lot of things going on, and you know, it's the cosmetics basically of the wheels. So looks impressive. I'm starting to appreciate the process even more now. Anyway, I'll let them get, you know, keep going. So the next stage is basically the CNC and paint area. And basically they can CNC machine your wheel to get it just right. Then they mix their own House of Color paints. House of Color obviously known for the candy paint, which is that beautiful translucent paint. Very hard to do, but these guys finish it just right. The finish is unreal. And they have the 3 separate paint booths, which are just in front of me. And let's see how this process actually works. You know, let's get inside one of these things. So here we are in the mixing room. This is where obviously they mix the House of Color paints. And we have the genius behind me who's actually working very hard on getting the mixes just right, you know, and seems like I'm bothering him, so I'm just gonna get out of his way. So when they're done with mixing the paint, they bring the wheel over to one of their paint booths. They have 3 of these at the KSA branch. And yeah, they get spraying, and hopefully the result should be nice. So whether it's personalization or just wheel repair that you're looking for, these guys seem to be the place in Saudi Arabia. Remember the Dammam Highway in Riyadh, and hopefully, this is what your wheel should look like. Let's put this one up on the shelf and hopefully not break it. So for any information, feel free to visit the website, feel free to give them a call, or feel free to just pop by and chill out in the reception and watch the wheels get repaired, or watch a little bit of TV.